When I came out here again, the 70s was the last time I'd actually done much show business work.
Hmm.
I went into teaching. So when I came out here, I realized the business had changed dramatically.
Right.
My years in New York taught me almost nothing about how to handle the show business industry here. So I decided I needed help. At the Beverly Hills Playhouse, I heard you talk, and I said, okay, that's what I need. I need to learn this business and how to do it this way. It never fails that something wonderful can come from something you follow up on. You never know when something's going to happen. You never know when a break is going to come and where it's going to come from. That's what's really important. A girl called me one day and said, listen, we're shooting a commercial. Would you be interested? Someone referred you from a class that they saw you do at the Beverly Hills Playhouse. And I said, can you tell me who it was? Is it somebody I know? And they said, we don't remember. And I said, oh, well, I'd be happy to audition for you. And they said, no, you've already got the part. Well, that wound up on kiosks in all the subway systems in New York.
That's so cool.
The shot of me, and it doesn't even show the product. It just says Soylent, eat on the train. It shows the guy looking at me going, and me shot. I got a what is an Instagram. It said, look at you. I'm on the side of a bus. People have been texting me and getting to me on Facebook and Instagram saying, we saw you in the airport in New York City. We saw you in the kiosks in New York City. You are on billboards all over New York. Well, my brand is I'm a character actress. I'm a chameleon. Right. So what I did was this is my comp card. It's also my things. So what it does is it says Chris Ann Russell, SAG-AFTRA, of course, chameleon character actress for hire. You've got to really believe in yourself and love yourself no matter what.
Yes.
Yeah. And there are a lot of, and meditation, starting to meditate, I'm finding is one of the most powerful things that I can possibly do.
I agree.
Yeah, and just being quiet, which is something I'm not good at doing. It's like, I talk a lot, I know. But I didn't even have caffeine today. I would have never been able to shut up.
I love it. Well, Chris, I have to say, so much wisdom has come out of you today. And I just want to thank you for being our featured pro of the month and for being willing to share this with your fellow actors, because I'm sure that many people are going to be inspired by this and feel like they have the strength to move forward and not give up, as you said. So thank you so much for sharing.
Oh, God, thank you so much. This was so much fun.